Some people have issues that others wish they had. For instance, when a typical Porsche 911 GT3 is just too slow for them. Manthey has recently created a new performance kit for the 992.2 that is instantly available for this particular target group. The tremendous amount of work that went into it shows that there's a lot of room for these kinds of changes, which further blur the lines between road and track. The figures are self-evident. The 20.8-kilometer Nürburgring Nordschleife was completed in 6 minutes and 52.981 seconds minutes by DTM champion A. Hankinen. As a result, the kit is over 3 seconds quicker than the Manthey GT3 from the 992.1 generation. And that's even if the track conditions weren't perfect, according to Manthey. In contrast, with a time of 6 minutes and 56.294 seconds, factory driver Georg Bergmeister's regular Porsche 911 GT3, 992.2, likewise took about 3.5 seconds longer. The advanced aerodynamics are a major factor in the faster lap time. At 285 kilometers per hour, the entire package produces 540 kilograms of downforce. A wider rear diffuser from the GT3 RS, a new carbon rear wing with a gurney flap, and unique carbon aero discs on the rear wheels are some of the ways this is accomplished. The enhanced performance is also a result of the nearly entirely enclosed underbody with 150-centimeter long air deflectors. The four-way adjustable aluminum coilover suspension is the main feature of the package. For both low and high-speed applications, its rebound and compression damping can be changed without the need for tools. With 20% more at the front axle and 7% less at the rear, the spring rates have been adjusted for track use. The purpose of steel-braided brake lines is to give the pedal a more direct feel. For ambitious track day drivers, racing brake pads are an optional feature.